Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a triple bloom on a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and I already have my covering white mixed up. This is not a bloom in a traditional sense. This is going to be a Dutch blowout. I call it a Dutch bloom hybrid. But yeah, so my white, covering white by Creative Inspirations has already been mixed up. And I just wanted to show you these colors. I have the pouring medium for them already mixed up. And I'm going to be adding water to that. But first up is Nickel Azo Yellow by Golden. And then we have a light permanent blue by Liquitex. A little bit more. And I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this one right, but it's a Alizarin Crimson by Liquitex. And this is a semi-transparent color. This is a transparent, this was opaque, and this is transparent, just in case you guys wanted to know. And this is my permanent blue violet by Amsterdam, transparent. This is a jadeite. It's a Deco Art Extreme Sheen, and it is a metallic. And for my last color, I will be using a iridescent from Folk Art called Purple Flash. So, these are my colors, ladies and gentlemen, and I already have some black cell activator mixed up that I'm going to be using for a cell activator. Even though this is not a traditional bloom recipe, I'm going to use some cell activator with this. So, I'm going to go ahead and get these colors mixed up into consistency. I'm using a slightly thicker consistency than what I normally do, but it's still going to be on the thin side. So I'll be right back when these are mixed up and we are ready to pour. Okay guys, I am back with my little 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to give it a quick torch, probably a couple of times, because I just mixed this paint up. And I actually added water to my paint container and shook it up vigorously, trying to get the last bit of paint out. So I knew I was going to have a bunch of bubbles. But I am going to get this tilted the way I need it to be. And I'm going to just put on some music today. It's Saturday. I'll let you guys enjoy the painting in peace. Alright guys, it's looking pretty cute, guys. I'm getting ready to bring you on and to see the close-up. Yeah.